Hello guys, it's me Samplex and I'll be teaching you guys how to do an accordion, a responsive accordion. So firstly I'll start by introducing my basic HTML. You can just and I'll import my CSS and also my JavaScript file. Okay, now I got everything all linked up. So designing the accordion, firstly, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a container in my body called an accordion, and this is going to hold the entire accordion, so it's going to be like a sub element to my main body. So it's like if a child to the main body, the body which is the parent. So I'm going to have several divs in it called content container, and I'm going to have another class called question. This is going to then we'll have another div called answers. Okay, then inside my accordion I'm going to have an h2 with the tag title. So this is going to be called frequently asked question. Frequently asked questions. And over here, then I'll have my question inside the question box. So let's say, what is World Health Organization? So I have this. Then my answer part, I'll just use developer words. So use lorem. I want to format it so that it looks shorter. Okay. Now this is going to be my content container, which carries all the questions and answers I'm going to have. So I'll just have to duplicate them to the numbers that I want. So let's say I'm having 4, 2, 3, and 4. So on my web page, I'll be having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 questions. So now I have to style the body. So let me style the body. I love doing my demo design. I use a customized design I love doing before I start